Please come.
I wanted to invite Cristiana. She wanted to give her message, so please come.
Please.
She's from Romania. She's a student of Jasmuhin, and she has done her darkroom retreats.
Yes.
And she's a master on her own and doing a lot of activities in Romania and around the world.
Sometime I'm going to Romania.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you everyone for being here, and thank you Patrici and Jasmuhin and everyone for having created this. And as we know, it has not just been created by the one on stage, but it has been created by each and every one of you who have manifested this through the power of intention and through the pure request of your heart for peace and for evolution. And having meditated since I was 12, in and out until 27, and then constantly for another 8 years, now I'm 35, I know and feel the power of these gatherings and what they bring into the world and what they bring into the space. And having worked with spaces like this in my planetary mission, connecting them together, like this pyramid connects to the pyramids in Egypt and connects to the Sphinx in Egypt and the Sphinx in Romania, which I live next to, and connects to Bosnia and connects to Chichen Itza and connects to many, many other vortexes in the world that we are connected to. We know that they are constantly feeding themselves between each other, forming a bigger vortex, a planetary vortex that feeds back into the matrix of the planet, that feeds back into each and every one of us. So each one of us is blessed with the power and the wisdom and the love of not only this place, but mostly the gathering of the places of all over the planet that are now joined together. And we have been worked together for many years in non-physical realms to build this, and we have, all of us, created this together, so give yourself a round of applause. And we also invite you to, as you are here still, shoot a ray of light constantly from your heart through your chakra up into this vortex, and be aware of it and connect to it and see what messages does it have for you and what messages can you collect from all the other vortexes that have been created all over the planet. Because there has been gatherings like this all over the planet each year, pranic festivals of people that are nourished by light. Building vortexes like this all over the world, how cool is that? And this is connecting here constantly because there's no present, past, and future. It's a constant flow of energy. So constantly you are connected in all these other gatherings. As I've seen last year, how you were working together with the gathering in Egypt that they were doing in the pyramids in Egypt. And everything was working together. Now everything is interconnected, yes? So once you connect into this vortex, you're connected to all the wisdom and the love and the power of all the people who have meditated since the beginning of time with all the other vortexes, yes? But that invites us to self-mastery, because having all this power in us, each thought and emotion and action has a resonance which is much more powerful than it used to be. So we are very much responsible for what we think, feel, and act. So may it be that each step of ours on this field and on the planet may be benevolent, and may be coming from a place of love. For that is our responsibility from now on, maybe. Would you be agreeing to that? So that each step that we take from now on this planet be coming from a place of love, from a place of compassion, from a place of self-responsibility and self-sovereignty. Okay. So it is done, it is done, it is done, and so it is. We thank you all, and thank you for inviting me to share this. Thank you, thank you, thank you.